As your child grows from infant to toddler, they begin seeing themselves as, well, selves. So here are a few simple examples of exercises to help with a smooth transition as they begin vying for independence. With an increased sense of autonomy, your child will want to start trying to do everything by themselves. So give them choices. Let them pick out their clothes, for example, or choose the book during story time. This offers them a good boost of confidence and helps with the transition. Now, as they get older, consider games such as hide and seek, activities that encourage them to move around and explore, give them a real sense of independence. Not to mention, you'll both have a lot of fun in the process. Sometimes your little one won't be happy and it will test your patience. But don't let the infamous term, the terrible twos, fool you. Tantrums happen as your toddler is learning to control emotions. So stay strong and experiment with different methods to discover what works best to calm your little one down. Good luck!